Hello, hello, Simon here, and today we are going to be looking at a fun new product. And today's product is our Panda Domino set. Let's get started. I love the Panda Domino set. We use this one in some of our younger kids' classes. This one's fantastic because it's just got like a whole range of different little pandas here with different numbers on them and different, equations that we can solve with the kids, and even a month and day symbol. So what I'm going to be doing today is opening this bad boy up. In fact, I've got a bonus one I've got here, and we're going to be having a look at what's inside. All right, let's get to it. Ooh, a nice box. Okay, 4 sides, as always, white on the bottom. All in Japanese, because all our products come from Japan, or most of them anyway. This one's not made by Shichida, but it's a different Japanese company. Ooh, you want to see? Check out this. Okay, so inside the box is another box. Let me just get that out haphazardly. Ooh, that's nice. This is a really beautiful kind of wooden box that all the pandas are stored in. You can see there, Panda Domino set. You get 48 different pieces in this one, made by You and I Wooden Toys. Cool. Let's open it up. Oh, that's mysterious, isn't it? So you can see there, got another little bit of cardboard for us. Let's just pry that open, see what's underneath. Ooh, another screen. Okay, bit of paper there. Let's open that up. Ah, okay. So inside the box, as I said, there's 48 different pandas here. Okay, digging through them, we've got some equals. Got some numbers, lots of different stuff. Okay, so many pandas. You're all gonna fall down on me. Let me just shift that over there. Oh, this is cool. What else do we have? Oh, more numbers, more numbers. So I think what comes in this set is you get 4 sets of 10 that you can play with. Okay, and they're all different colors. They're all gonna fall over. That's the idea of them. I mean, you stack them up, you knock them down, you have a lot of fun. Wow, there's still so many in here. That's cool. I mean, you can't really see what I'm doing that well, but that's all right. Okay, so yeah, sets and sets of pandas. It even comes, ooh, this is fun, with a little ball. And this one here, after you set them up, you can whack it into them and watch them all fall down. Ooh. Hey. Fun with pandas there, I think. All right, now check it out. This is our army of little pandas we have here. So we have 0 to 9 in each set. So all the yellow ones we can say 0 to 9. We got yellow, we got blue, we got red, we got green, and we also have these little bonus ones right at the front here. So whoa, look at that. We have a plus that we can do some maths with. We have the decimal points that we can use. We have a minus symbol. We have month, so you can do it that way. This one's a bit more, I guess, Japanese style, as you would have 1 month, because that's how they write their writing system. But I mean, it's in English for us, so we can kind of make our own use of that. Division, we've got equals over here, we've got day, day, month. Okay, so you could write 1 month, 25 day, for 25th of January. But yeah, you can set them up like, 1 + 1 = 2, popping them all like that. And then once you line them up, you could line up them 1 to 10 is a fun little activity, just like this. And then we get our little ball, and we can knock them all over, It's just like a classic domino set. Like this, ready? Okay, so from the front, from the back, everywhere. Really fun set. It's gonna take me a while to put all these back in the box, but hey, that's the Panda Domino set. Basically, it comes with 4 sets of numbers 0 through 9, has your plus, your minus, your times, your divided by, a little panda ball, and a month and day panda. So this is a fantastic one for kind of 2 years and up. All right, hope you enjoyed it.